Okay, Harley Quinn and Joker, here we go. So I'm going to start off with my Harley Quinn side of my face. This is going to be a super easy tutorial, by the way, guys. So I'm starting off by popping on the MUA moisturizing primer all over the right side of my face, but on camera it's the left. And now I'm popping on some foundation. This is the MUA matte base foundation. I believe it's in the shade 110. It was quite interesting because I put on a lot of product and realised that this is probably a little bit too much product for one side of my face, but it was fine. It is kind of a theatrical, I guess, kind of makeup look. So I'm blending that in with the sponge, the same I would just do normally with my makeup, just trying to keep it to one side of my face. Just really working that in with the sponge. And then I'm going to pop on some concealer. So I'm taking the Fenty Beauty concealer and I'm just kind of covering up any blemishes under the eyes, the forehead, not anything crazy, just to kind of even out the skin and blending that in. And I know it's past Halloween now, but you know, let's just keep it going. I've got another Halloween look after this video that I want to post as well. So I do hope you enjoy watching this video. And if you're watching this in 2021, I hope that we survive 2020. Anyway, so I powdered my face. Then I took the Freedom Contour Kit. This is like a discontinued product, discontinued brand. It's like, I believe it's like one of Revolution's like sister brands, but it's just a really nice like cool toned contour. And I'm trying to use like old products when I film makeup tutorials for Halloween, so it just made me giggle there. I just popped some brow gel through the brows, by the way, any contour would do. Then I'm taking this blue shade here from the OPV Rainbow Splash palette. Any blue shadow will work. I just wanted to dip into this one because I hadn't used it in a long while. And when I do creative looks, that's when I tend to use products that I need to kind of keep using and make the most of. So I just took a shader brush from Peach's Makeup and just kind of messily popped this on my eye. The best thing about Harley Quinn's makeup is just like, it's not neat at all. If you wanted to, like, of course, like there's so many girls who make the Harley Quinn makeup really glam, but I wanted to just make it very true Harley Quinn. And I'm just having way too much fun, like acting crazy for my Instagram and TikTok videos. So now I'm mixing this blue and white shade from the Kryolan Special Tint palette. I got it when I did special effects at college, and I just did the little streaks down the eye. I literally just popped it down and then just pulled it down with my finger. Super easy. And then took a white pencil to pop this through the waterline just to kind of open up the eyes a little bit, and then curl up my lashes and pop on some mascara. You could, of course, pop on falsies for this look, or just do the Harley Quinn like all over and pop falsies on, but I just feel like it looked better with just mascara, just because I want to do a more sort of true to Harley Quinn look. But again, if you wanted to make it more glamorous, you can be neater with the shadow, you can pop some lashes on, that kind of thing. So now I'm popping on the classic red lip. I was going to smudge it, but just because I was going to have so much going on in the face, I felt like I'd keep this side of the face neat. This is a lipstick from MUA and it's actually so nice. I'll link it down below. Such a good red lipstick, really moisturizing and doesn't smudge. Now we're moving on to the Joker side of the face. So this was so easy. As you can see, I'm just having some fun here with my facial expressions in my Instagram video. And I'm literally just painting this all over my face. I feel like this kind of makeup is much easier to get hold of nowadays. You can go on like Beauty Bay, Cult Beauty and get these kind of things. But again, I got this in my college kit, so it is definitely expired, but it's fine. I've already taken this off and I have not had an allergy reaction, so we're all good. But anyway, I'm just taking this paint and popping it all over the left side of my face, but again, it appears right to you. And as you can see, I'm just kind of trying to make the inner part where it meets the Harley side as neat as possible. It doesn't have to be like perfect, but just so there's like an obvious line. Do you know what I mean? You could also make this look kind of like one of those cool mask looks where you fade in the edges. That could look quite cool as well. Then I'm taking this powder here from Revolution Pro. I'm not going to lie, it's my least favourite powder I've ever tried. However, it came in perfect for this look because the Joker makeup I took inspo from was a new Joker film where it almost looks quite cakey. I know I'm not really selling it to you, but I'm not trying to sell you this powder, but it was just perfect for this kind of clown look. So if you're looking for like special effects powders, I'd recommend the Revolution Pro powder for that, just not kind of like glam makeup. Then I just took the same Kryolan mix I used for the Harley side. It has a little bit more white in it, but I couldn't bother to try and match it perfectly, and that's fine. I'm just dancing to Ariana here, if you're wondering. I thought I'd keep that in. I did the triangles above the eyebrow and under the eye, and then just kind of mapped out the big smile. The new Joker film makeup, the smile was incredibly exaggerated. I wanted to do a little bit messy, like around my lip line, but not too much. So I'm just taking the red paint from the Kryolan palette just so it looks a little bit more like clown makeup rather than the MUA lipstick, and I'm just kind of mapping out that shape. I kept referencing a picture I had up on my laptop if you do wonder why I keep looking to the side. And that's basically like the finished look. Obviously there's no mascara needed for the Joker side. I forgot to do Harley's little heart on the cheek, which is like my favourite part of her makeup look. And I'm just filling that in with an MUA eyeliner. And that, guys, is the finished makeup look. It's so easy to recreate, and I feel like you've got two looks in one. You could do the Joker, you could do Harley Quinn. I do love their makeup look. Ironically, when filming this video, I was wearing a Marvel t-shirt, but no one has to know apart from you, who I've just told. Anyway, happy Halloween, guys. I hope you are all well. If you do enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. As always, I really appreciate it, and happy Halloween.